Here's some Giselle Ballet trivia. Subscribe. Which act features the famous mad scene? Is it A, Act 4, B, Act 1, C, Act 4, or D, Act 3? The correct answer is B, Act 1. What tragic event occurs in the story of Giselle? Is it A, her betrayal, B, her death, C, her disappearance, or D, her love triangle? The correct answer is B, her death. Which ballet company premiered Giselle? Is it A, Paris Opera Ballet, B, American Ballet Theatre, C, Royal Ballet, or D, Russian Ballet? The correct answer is A, Paris Opera Ballet. Who are the Wilis led by in the ballet? Is it A, Morgana, B, Odette, C, Juliet, or D, Myrtha? The correct answer is D, Myrtha. In which city is Giselle set? Is it A, Vienna, B, Prague, C, Germany, or D, Paris? The correct answer is C, Germany. What happens to Giselle after she dies? Is it A, becomes a Wili, B, joins the afterlife, C, turns to stone, or D, becomes a ghost? The correct answer is A, becomes a Wili. What element of dance is highlighted in Giselle? Is it A, classical ballet, B, jazz dance, C, contemporary dance, or D, romantic ballet? The correct answer is D, romantic ballet. Which ballet tradition does Giselle belong to? Is it A, contemporary, B, modernism, C, baroque, or D, romanticism? The correct answer is D, romanticism. Which famous ballerina was associated with Giselle? Is it A, Margot Fonteyn, B, Rudolph Nureyev, C, Misty Copeland, or D, George Balanchine? The correct answer is A, Margot Fonteyn. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.